Guys, my name is Shoyam Esam and welcome back into this class, or you can say to this video. And it's a very important video. It will be very important video. Why am I saying like this? Because if you want to become mastery in English, then please follow me and I will tell you some tips that you can improve your English and you can become master in English. That I have become master in English, so you can also become master in English. And what you have to do, what are the things that you need to do. Like I will tell you all the things, but first of all you have to maintain for full consistency, and you have to watch this full video. If you will watch this full video, then you will improve your English and you will definitely become a fluent speaker. So that I have become a fluent speaker, I will give you tips, and I will tell you how was my experience about learning English and how did I learn English. How was my experience, that how am I able to speak English in front of you. I will tell you all the things and you will get clear all the concepts, but you have to maintain consistency. So let's start the video. So what I mean to say is, guys, that if you want to speak English, then read books. But if you want to speak English, then you will have to join some channels. Because why am I saying that? If you will not join some channels and if you read books of English, then what will you what will it happen? First of all, you will read, then you will not understand. There are many concepts, there are some concepts you will understand, but there are some concepts you will not understand. So what do you have to do, guys? You have to join some channels, or I have joined some channels also, so I can improve my English. I have already told you in yesterday video that if you want to speak English, then you have to watch you can say you have to watch podcast also, story also, but you don't have to watch in Hindi or Marathi. You have to watch in English, because what they have to do, like you have to improve your English, not Hindi or Marathi. Hindi and Marathi is a very simple and easy language. We can easily speak because it's our mother tongue, but we don't know English. And you know, guys, that English is an international language and it's a very piece of paper. Like it's a very easy language. Because why am I saying that? Guys, that there are 52 varnamala, you can say, in Hindi, but there are only 26 letters in Hindi. So think in your mind that how is this easy language, that there are only 26 letters, I say A B C D E F G S. So it's a very simple, and there are 52 varnamala like this. How will you learn and how will you speak Hindi? So English is a easy language. If you try to learn any language, then you can also definitely learn. But first of all, you will have to maintain consistency, and you will have to learn that language. Like English is a very important language. Like if you have to crack the interview, or if you have to crack any interview or job, if you have to get job in any, you can say in any interview, then you will have to speak English, not in Hindi and Marathi. Because there are many plus people who can speak Hindi, but who don't know how to speak English. But if we will know, then we will get respected, and we will have many things if we will know English. So we should know how to speak English. It's a very, in modern generation, it's a very important language. But guys, earlier people didn't used to speak English, because they didn't used to know English. And earlier, if we used to speak Hindi or Marathi, then it will be we can get the job and we can crack the interview. But in modern generation, that what will be happen to us, that we will have to speak English. Otherwise, if we will speak Hindi, otherwise we will not get the job, and we can't crack any interview. So English is a internet easy language, and I want to share you some tips so you can improve your English. So read books, read more and more books, and join some channel. If you you can also search on YouTube. That YouTube is the best app, or YouTube is the best app to learn anything or learn any skill, because there are many videos and there are many free channels. So you can learn English, or you can learn Japanese, Chinese, like this. You can learn anything on YouTube. So learn any language. If you want to learn English, then it will be better for you. Like if you will go to another country, then you will have to speak their mother tongue. But if you don't have to speak their mother tongue, if you have to speak only, you can say English, or if you have to speak only one language, then you can speak English. Because if you will speak English, then anybody will understand anybody. It's a very easy language, because anybody will understand your language, that what do you want to say, and you can communicate to each other. You can communicate to your friends if your friends are foreigners. So if you will meet to foreigners, then you will definitely you will communicate to each other. And you know, guys, that if you want to speak English, then you will have to go to another country, but it's not an option. Like if we will go, then we will have to wait, and we should have money, but we don't have money. So what do you have to do? Like we can also learn from YouTube. You know, like guys, YouTube is the best app. So we can also learn from YouTube, but first of all, you have to search. You have to search on YouTube that English. I have to learn English. So this channel you will find, and you will definitely learn English. I have improved my English by this channel. I have also shared you one channel also, that you can say Personal Institute Master the channel like this. If you want to learn, then you can also search on YouTube. If you will search on YouTube, then you will definitely improve your English. So let's come on, guys. Let's come on topic. Like if you want to speak English, then read more and more books. Like if you will read more and more books, then you will get two things. Think, guys, that two things you will get, like knowledge also, and English knowledge also. Because like if you want to speak English, then you will absolutely obviously that you will read English books. So if you will read English book, then you will also get knowledge. Like you can say that if you will read Buddha and his Dharma, or you can say Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam sir book, Wings of Fire book. So if you will like read Wings of Fire book, then like you will get knowledge also. You will learn that the story of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. It's the very greatest man, that who made the missile. So he is the missile man of India. You know, guys, he is the missile man of India, and he achieved many things. So if you want to achieve your success, so learn English. Learn English. I am just 13 years old, and I am learning English, and I have mastered in English, so I can speak English. So if you want to speak English, read more and more books. And second point is, that's very important. That's you can say that you can watch podcasts also, or or watch story also. Because you know, guys, we like story, and we can also you can say that we can also watch stories, podcast. Or if you will watch podcast, then you will also learn English. Like you can search on YouTube also, that Jai Shetty podcast. So if you will search, then you will find. But if you want to if you will say just like this, that I will not search. Anybody will search, then I will search. Then you can't improve your English. So search earlier, so you can improve your English. So watch podcast, and you can say listen stories. So if you will listen stories, then you will also improve your English, because we like stories, and we will learn English easily. Because if we listen anything, so we, you know, guys, we learn that thing very easily. You can also watch English movies like Harry Potter. I also watch Harry Potter movies. Like it's the best movie of English, and you will get knowledge also. You will get story also, and like you will improve your English. So what I mean to say is, guys, listen. You can say listen stories, or watch. You can say watch movies. So if you will watch movies, then you will improve your English. Because like if you will go to America, or you can say England, but we can't go England or America. Because if we want to go England or America, then like we can improve our English, but we should have money. But we don't have money. So what do we have to do? We can also listen on mobile. So we should not waste we should not watch shorts, like shorts reel. There are many people who watches shorts reels. So you don't have to do like this, and you don't have to waste your time. Time is the most important in our life, and we must, like you can say, we must not waste the time. 1 minute time is equal to 10,000 rupees. So think that if you will waste also 1 minute 2 minutes, then how will you it's a type of money. So you have to use type of money. If you will use type of money, then you will improve your English. And I'm also guiding you step by step, so you have to do this step. And if you will do this step, I guarantee you. And if this step will not follow, then you can also write down in the comment that what you said, then it's not a it's a wrong. You said it's a wrong, or you can say me anything. But if you will follow, if you will if this method will follow, then write down in the comment section that this step is followed, and it's a very interesting step that I can improve my English. You can write down in comment, and you can also. So you can also like this video, subscribe and share. So come on the topic, guys. If you want to speak English, I have already told you that read more and more books, listen stories, also like this. If you will, you can do this. And one thing is most common, if you want to speak English, then you have to speak more and more. I have also I like you can say I can speak. Why? Because I speak to each other, I speak to foreigners. You can say also you can install from you can say you can say Play Store also. Because there is a peer app, you don't know, but I tell you that what's a peer app. So if you will install peer app, then what will you find? You will find there are many partners, or there are many pro learners who wants to speak, who wants to improve their English. So you can also speak to each other, and you can improve your English. So this is my video, guys, that how was the video. Please write down in the comment that if you will like this video, then like, subscribe and share. I have already told you this will be very helpful for you to learn English. And you have to give only 2 hours, at least 2 hours. If you will give only 2 hours to speak English, then you will definitely improve your English. But first of all, you have to clear your basic. If you will clear your basic, then guys, that how to speak English. So you have to just practice to each other. So I have already told you that you have to install peer app. So if you will install peer app, then you will get many learners to you can practice with each other. So this was my video that I want to share you that how can you improve your English. So how was this video? I already told you that, write down in the comment section. And thank you, guys. This was the video, and please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.